Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have Play points and the same Google account signed into Efootball. Good. Open Play Store, tap your avatar, then Play points to confirm balance and rewards. Once you see enough points, choose the reward that converts to Google Play credit or a specific Efootball coupon. This is the only path to spend points on the game. Make sure region and account match, and note the exact credit amount versus the in-game pack price before redeeming to avoid partial payments. Once redeemed to your Play balance, open Efootball and go straight to the in-game store. Select the pack or coin bundle you want, then proceed to checkout. On the Google Play purchase dialog, explicitly choose your Play balance as the payment method. If balance is insufficient, Play will prompt for a secondary method. Avoid that by matching amounts. Confirm the purchase, watch for the success toast, and wait for the in-game delivery, which can take seconds to a few minutes depending on server sync. After purchase, verify the item appears in your Efootball inventory and confirm the transaction in Google Play order history. If the purchase didn't deliver, first make sure Play balance was used. Then clear Play Store cache, reboot, and reopen the game to force a sync. If that doesn't work, use the order ID from Play Store and contact Efootball or Google Play support. They can restore lost items or refund. Remember, keep receipts and avoid repeating purchases until it's resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.